I'm here today at Rolling Big Power's garage, and if you've ever heard of Rolling Big Power, you know they're very proud of their lifted trucks. And today we're going to learn more about their most popular lift kit. All right, I'm here with Kelly Ash, GM and VP of Rolling Big Power. You guys know Rolling Big Power with lifted vehicles. Obviously, I'm right here by one of their Jeeps, one of their builds. But what we're really looking for is a Super Duty lift kit. So do you make something for a Ford F250 or F350?
Absolutely, we do.
All right, what are my options?
We actually have lift kits for 99 to 2018 models. For the 2017, 2018 F250, F350, we have a 4-inch and a 6-inch lift kit for you.
Oh, that sounds awesome. So if the box shows up in my door, are all the parts there?
Yes, we actually take pride in that. So we engineered them to be as easy to install as possible, and the best part about it is it comes with everything that you need to do the job right.
All right, now I don't want to offend you, but to most people out there, warranties are important. So manufacturer warranties and things like that can be a little confusing. What do you guys offer?
Sure can, absolutely, no offense taken. We take all of the confusion out of it, and we have a no questions asked, no hassle warranty. So if you can bend it, break it, somehow mangle it, we will absolutely cover you no matter what.
Awesome. So if I don't want to install this myself, what if I just want to take it to a dealer and have them do it for me?
Yes, absolutely. We then take it a step further and actually wrap your powertrain warranty as long as the vehicle's still covered by the factory.
Wow, that's awesome. I don't think anyone else does that.
Yeah, we love customer service here. It's paramount for us.
Great. So after I install it, is this just for off-road? Am I going to be able to drive it on the street as well?
No, they were actually engineered by us, and they're made here specifically to keep your on-road ride quality, so it rides down the freeway the same, but you can actually have your off-road capabilities as well.
That's great. You definitely don't want any looseness in the steering if I take it on the freeway.
Absolutely.
Sounds great. So what do you need from me?
Well, we need to know if you have a 2-leaf spring rear end or a 3-leaf spring rear end, and also if you have a 2 or 1-piece drive shaft.
Is that it?
And then we also ask for your wheel and tire information just to make sure that the fitment, backspacing, and everything fits correctly.
Great. So where do I go for more information?
Check us out on our website, rollingbigpower.com. We have all the information, videos, and a dealer locator as well. Make sure that you ask your dealer about our swag pack, because with every lift kit, you get a swag pack.
Nice, swag pack. So like hats, t-shirts,
yes,
like
you get an RBP hat, a t-shirt, license plate frame, and some other goodies in there too.
Awesome. Sounds easy. rollingbigpower.com.
Yeah.